Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful reviews. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience using HelloMD. HelloMD is a telehealth platform connecting patients with licensed healthcare providers through video, phone, and messaging. Designed for those seeking convenient access to medical advice, prescriptions, and mental health support from home, HelloMD caters to a wide spectrum of healthcare needs. These include general consultations, dermatology, mental wellness, and even cannabis consultations. Whether you're managing a minor ailment, need a prescription refill, or require mental health assistance, HelloMD provides streamlined access to experienced doctors and specialists. A key strength of HelloMD lies in its user-friendly interface, simplifying appointment scheduling and attendance. After registering, you select the consultation type and connect quickly with a healthcare provider. Consultations are generally affordable, offering both single visits and subscription plans based on your required care frequency. HelloMD's mental health services are particularly noteworthy, offering virtual therapy and counseling sessions. HelloMD is ideal for busy individuals requiring quick medical advice without the weight of an in-person appointment. It's also a great solution for those in remote locations or with mobility challenges, eliminating travel time and lengthy waits. The platform's convenience allows patients to access healthcare providers whenever needed, whether it's a brief consultation or a more comprehensive, ongoing treatment plan. Another benefit of HelloMD is its ability to connect patients with providers specializing in specific areas, such as dermatology or mental health. This specialized approach ensures that patients receive targeted care tailored to their unique needs. Furthermore, the platform's secure messaging feature allows for ongoing communication with providers, facilitating convenient follow-up care and medication management. This continuous connection can be invaluable in supporting long-term health goals and addressing any emerging concerns between appointments. For more information and to sign up for HelloMD, check out the links in the description below. If you seek fast, accessible, and professional telehealth services, HelloMD is a robust option ensuring you receive the care you need with minimal effort.